Checking out this pocket knife from SENCUT. Comes in a zip bag, nylon with like a fur interior. They've got a warranty card, a microfiber cloth sticker with one of their knives, a SENCUT logo sticker, and then we've also got the knife. So we pull it out of here. This one is called the Skarnax. It's a flipper with thumb studs. Great overall shape. It's a liner lock. It has skeletonized liners, I believe. Yep, skeletonized liners. You can see them in there that are just a bit oversized from the micarta handle. This is almost like blue jeans. I really like this color blue. I really like the feel of it. The stainless is amazing. Look at that lockup. This has tip-up carry on a clip that is reversible. It's about halfway down the blade. This, I would call it a good medium size, medium to large size. Although it's not real heavy, it is dense. You could definitely, you're carrying a knife here, a lot of metal, but that micarta really sets it off. Really like the blade shape on this one. Hope this helps.